Learning never exhausts the mind, it expands it. So, in today's lecture, we are going to take the second type of output node in our node dashboard, that is the gauge node. That is a very helpful visualization tool you will learn in this one. We have already learned how to create a random number from the inject node. So, let's create it. So, I'm creating a value from 0 to 100 with the range of 2 decimal point, and I want to inject it every 1 second. Now let's configure the gauge node. First assign it a output, name it as, and you can also change the unit. Let's say mm. This is the range of your input. Like I have 0 to 100. You can also add sections and you can set the color. Let's say from 0 to 40 it is green, 40 to 60 it's yellow, and after 60 it will be red. So let's see its visualization one by one. The gauge type is like this. So you see that for every value, the gauge is moving. It's a beautiful visualization. Let's see another time. Donut. Crazy, yeah? So the third type is compass. So it looks like a compass that and moving somewhat like that. The fourth one is the level. So it's filling up like a tank. So these are the four types of visualization available in this node, and you can use it whenever you are getting a value from any sensors, dynamic values you want to represent or you want to present on the dashboard. So you can take the help of the gauge. So that's it for this video. And remember that knowledge becomes power only when you apply it. And applied knowledge is power. Thank you.